Hello there! Today we look into the features of the category loop block, which is included in the Kaledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Content controls. The Content tab has two controls. The first control allows us to change the title of the category loop container. We just need to type the new title in the text field. The second control is responsible for setting the icon located on the top left corner. It's recommended to use an image with dimensions of 80 by 80 pixels. Style controls. The Style tab has three controls. The first one is responsible for setting the number of columns for desktop screens. The second one allows us to change the number of columns for tablet devices. The last one is responsible for changing the number of columns for mobile devices. If we want to change the color, size, or margin of any element of this block, we must use custom CSS. In this example, we will change the margins of the category loop title. I'm using the 2025 WordPress theme, so all paragraphs have default margins. To disable this effect in our category loop title, we will identify the CSS class of this title. Then we will go to the CSS WordPress Customizer where we will set the margins for this element to 0. Now our category loop title does not have margins. Additional controls. There are three controls in the Additional tab. The first control is responsible for hiding or showing the number of publications for each category. The second control allows us to show demo data for the category block. This demo data comes bundled with the plugin. The third control allows us to show or hide the uncategorized category in our block. Thank you for watching.